What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brennan and we're back with another video. Today's gonna be a little bit different. We're quarantined. Everybody knows that we're in the house because of coronavirus. So today I have a video planned for you guys where I'm gonna be reacting to a video of supercar crashes of 2019. So yeah, let's get right into this video and thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so this video is by the top ones. It's about 10 minutes long, so let's see what we're about to get into reacting to this. So I haven't done a video like this before, so if you guys haven't subscribed or liked yet, please make sure to subscribe and like and follow me on social media. My Instagram's at BrennanGarrity2, so it'll be linked in the description down below. So let's get right into this. All right, let's see. Let's play the first one. Let's play the first clip. It's a BMW. He's doing donuts in the street. Oh, and he hit the sign. Oh, it's a race. This one's not that high quality. Oh, and he hit him. What the? Oh, this dude's in the car with the baseball bat. He's in this. Who did he piss off? The other guy's just filming it like, I don't know what's going on. He's hitting it. It's not a baseball, it's a golf club, but... Is this the, Oh, is that, Is that Apollo IE? He just crashed it. Oh, how's this Huracan? Literally goes, oh man. Let's see this next one, boys. This one's on the drag strip. Oh, he just. He just slid right in. It almost looks like the pavement's wet a little bit. I don't know what he's... I don't know, man. I don't know what they're doing.
I'm trying to think of mama. We shut the freeway down. Mama.
They have a truck. What? Oh, hold on. Put that back real quick. They're in the middle of the highway. He just totally takes off his front bumper. I don't know what was going on with that one. He's drifting the vet. Ooh, man, he just hit the side. Yo, is this a McLaren on fire? Oh, boys. Rest in peace to that McLaren. I don't know what happened in this one. I don't know what happened in this one. It's questionable. They got a Rolls Royce here. What? This almost looks like a salvage. This looks like a junkyard for supercar. What is this? Hold on. What is he doing? It looks like they're... I don't know if they're rotating the tires or doing a burnout, but he gets his hand like caught under the wheel. I don't know what this... Is this another McLaren on fire? Oh. How does that happen? It's just on fire. I don't know how that happens. Oh, he took the... Oh man, it looks like it took the back bumper off. All those other cars are coming. This one's not that great quality either. There's some nice cars. There's this one with, yeah, he's gonna be He's gonna be a dumbass, isn't he? Probably a Mustang driver. That's right. That's what I'm thinking too. What is this guy doing, man? He's got, I don't know if that's his homie or some random dude watching him being stupid on the street, but whatever that is. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's... Oh man, looks like they're by like a bus stop. What's going on? Oh! Alright, this one looks like it's in like Dubai. I don't know what this guy just did. But we're gonna have to replay that. We're gonna have to replay this one. Hold on. Immediately he's like, I don't know if this is like a hotel or like what this is, but you can see. I don't know what this. I want. Oh, he hits the Rolls Royce. I don't think that's. Yeah. Oh man. What? Immediately he starts off. In the beginning, he's like. Did he hit it again? There's no way he just hit it again, dude. Boys, they're taking him out of there. I don't know what's going on. You got the GTI. Oh. This is another one. Huracan just hits. This is not that great quality either. This is in some third world country or something. They're lit out there though. I mean, he's just getting out of his car. Yeah, he's a young kid. That's a kid. That guy, yeah. So we got another Lamborghini here. Oh, the two-step caught on fire, and the next clip is insane too. This looks like a hurricane. The Dodge, they're literally letting this car go into the ocean. Oh, she's spray painting and hitting his car with the hammer. Rest in peace to that Range Rover. Boys, I don't know about this one. He must have really pissed her off. Don't leave your car out there, and she's just throwing it in. I don't know. This is some GTA. He's filming it. She's getting mad at the dude.
This is not true, bro.
I don't speak. I don't understand what they're saying, but I can. Oh, and the police are here. They're pointing a gun at her. She's an idiot. Wow. He's still going. The whole back of the car is just totally, completely on fire. Is this a music video? This looks like the... Okay, this one's actually funny. This one's funny. They're being fooled. This looks like the Boom video that F Spot. Shout out to my boy F Spot. He filmed on Rodeo. Or was Hollywood Boulevard, I don't remember. But he just completely fell on the glass and shattered it. I don't know what's. Oh, the fur. Oh, he totaled the car. It's in the rain. I don't know what that guy was doing. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed already, it's been your boy Brendan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.